Hello guys, welcome to our channel Life Reviewed. I am Dev, and today we have with us here a bookshelf speaker. This is the Edifier R1280T. This is a very good speaker as far as like 2.0 speaker goes. I wanted something for my PC just to casually listen to music. Initially, I wanted to buy Bose Companion 2. That was a 2.0, cost around 8,000. But I consulted a few audiophiles, and everyone advised me to go for this, as this has better bass, better the sound quality is good. So overall, an upgrade in all fronts from the Bose Companion 2. So let's not waste any more time and do the unboxing of this. So this is a fairly big speaker. This is 2.0, and let's see what we have in the box. And before I open this, let me just show you the box, because this is a big box and quite heavy. I just wanted to show you what's shown there. So this is that. It's mentioned 42 watts RMS RC input, and I'll go into these things. This has a remote, and one of the reasons I went for this is this has a remote and the Bose doesn't have a remote. And yeah, these specifications are listed here. And yeah, the MRP and all those things. The cost is around 9,890, made in China. And yeah, these are the features listed here, and that's it. Yeah, and let's see what is inside the box. And here we go. Nicely packed, standard packaging. So here we have the speakers. We have some documents here. Let's put those aside. Let us bring this out. So this has active speaker and a passive speaker, and in a moment I will tell you what that means. We have the wires. Let's see that. Just get this out, because these are very heavy. So let us put this away. Okay. So this is what we have. Let us see first the wires that is given. This has RCA connectivity to RCA to RCA, and we have RCA to headphone jack 3.5 and yeah, this I remember, like in the old days they used to give the connection was like this RCA. So this is a bit of a retro speaker, and okay, I think this is for connecting the active speaker to the passive speaker. And we have the remote. Let me show you the remote first. Okay, so this is the remote. Very simple. This is the mute button, audio up and down. So yeah, that's nice. And now we come to the main event, the speakers. So this is made from manufactured wood. This looks like wood, but guys, this is MDF wood. Basically, what that means is this is manufactured. This is something like ply, but this gives better sound quality than plastic. And this has got a wood finish, but this is vinyl on top of that, just to be clear. This is wood, but it's artificial wood. Let me see if this panel comes out so that we can have a look at the speakers that is have. Nice. So this is plastic, well built. So yeah, these two speakers are identical. The same thing will be here, and this is the base. The base port, the base will come out of this, and this has 4-inch. This is the 4-inch active speakers, and this is the 13 silk dome tweeters. So yeah, we have the branding here, Edifier. And let's see this one too. Identical in every way. This will have the same units as this, the same speakers. Only difference between these two is, as I mentioned earlier, this is the active speaker, this is the passive speaker. So this has the controls on the side of this, as you can see. Very well built. This has granular control on. You will have control on your music that you will be hearing, and this is the bass control. I'm sorry, this is the treble control. This is the bass. And this is the volume. We have a small LED here, the power LED, and yeah, you will be having quite general control on this thing. So that's how I like it. Like this is 1 to 6, -6 to -6. So that's a good range. And if you see, this is the since this is the active speaker, you will have the connection ports here. We have the on-off switch. The power cord goes here, and yeah. This is a 2-pin, not a 3-pin, and they provided the RCA ports. This will go here, and yeah, this is for the PC. So yeah, this will be going here, and you can connect other devices, compatible devices, from here itself. This is where the left speaker will connect using this wire. So yeah, so that's the unboxing, guys. Stay tuned for the full review of this speaker and a complete sound test. I'll be doing that. Subscribe to the channel and like this video, and stay safe. I will see you in the next one.